In this video, I have 7 online business ideas that you can start this year, most of which can be started for free and can be managed from anywhere in the world. There's zero excuse as to why you can't start one of these right now. By the end of this video, I will have broken down every single one of these online business ideas, giving you the pros and cons of each, so you can determine the one that's best for you. The first online business model that I'm going to recommend is selling digital products. I love digital products because it only takes you a couple of hours to create one, and you can sell it for an unlimited amount of times for the next 5, 10, or even 50 years. When it comes to selling digital product, you're not just making a product, you're producing a digital asset that can generate passive income over a very long span of time. And with the right funnels and marketing in place, you have the power to scale and grow these products to 6 figures in under a year. What makes selling digital products so special is that there are so many different types of products that you can sell. Ebooks, PDF guides, printables, templates, planners, recipes, courses, tutorials, guides, consulting, and even games. The possibilities are endless. I like digital products because they really are a beginner-friendly side hustle. They're really easy to start and they require little to no money, and they offer the potential for a really high profit margin. In terms of difficulty, I would rate this side hustle as easy to get started. Selling digital products is definitely a good choice if you want to travel and not have to worry about holding inventory for physical products. When you sell a digital product, your website host automatically sends it to the buyer for download. You don't have to worry about shipping products or your supplier shipping them for you, which really simplifies everything. The only thing you really have to focus on is building and establishing your brand, developing the right marketing strategies, and providing value to your customers. Next up is UGC. UGC stands for user-generated content. In today's world, it's gotten to the point where influencers are charging an outrageous fees to generate content for brands. So these brands have had to shift to a new marketing strategy. This is where UGC comes in. Brands often don't have the time or the resources to create content for their ads, and they need real people to try out their product. And what I love about creating UGC content is you don't have to show your face or post videos on your own social media profiles to make money. You don't need a large following or really any following at all. All you need is a solid portfolio. With UGC, anyone can get started with this side hustle for $0. It's beginner friendly, and honestly, women do have a slight advantage when it comes to this side hustle. But for anyone, I would rate this as easy to get started. If you're liking this video so far, do me a favor and like it. Subscribe while you're at it. I share videos like this 2 to 3 times a week. It's completely free and you can always change your mind later. The third online business model on the rise this year is YouTube automation. You might not even realize how many faceless YouTube channels there are out there, making thousands of dollars every single month for the owner of the channel. There are channels getting millions of views with simple videos on topics like motivation, cooking, education, and emerging tech. Most of these are just stock footage clips with a voiceover. For example, according to Social Blade, this channel Tech Zone is making over $1,000 a day, nearly $500,000 a year. And another example, Be Inspired, they're racking up millions of views, and if you check their Social Blade profile, they're earning as much as $400 a day, easily over $10,000 a month. The question is if they can do it, why can't you? With the right strategies, whether you show your face or not, starting a YouTube channel is a win-win. I love the side hustle because you can get started with $0, and you can earn truly passive income once your channel gets monetized. Let's move on to the next business model, and that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to make money online by recommending a product or generating a sale for someone's offer. It's truly a great business model that you can take advantage of without having to start your own business. I understand that not everyone wants to start an online store or a full-fledged business. So this is a great side hustle that gives you plenty of sales experience, but without the long-term commitment. It's another business that you can get started for $0 and you can grow and manage it from anywhere in the world. It's truly beginner friendly and I would rate it as easy to start. Next up is dropshipping. This is a great way to get into the e-commerce world without committing to holding any inventory or shipping anything yourself. When it comes to dropshipping, you're the middleman between the buyer and the supplier. Your job is to run ads, get sales, and then the supplier ships the product to the buyer and you keep the profit. You don't have to deal with any of the dirty work like shipping. You're just focused on running ads and getting the sale and focusing on growing the brand. Again, I love dropshipping because you don't have to worry about holding any inventory, and you can get started with little to no money up front depending on what niche you decide to go with. I'd rate this side hustle as moderate in terms of difficulty because there are quite a few factors to consider, like choosing the right product, developing the right marketing strategies, and building a highly converting website. The next online business model is print on demand. If you've always wanted to start a clothing line or sell products without holding inventory, print on demand is for you. Similar to digital products, the possibilities are quite endless when it comes to print on demand. You can sell shirts, hoodies, mugs, socks, you name it, print on demand suppliers have it. To get started, you pick a niche and the purpose behind your brand, and then you decide on what you want to sell. Then you focus on the marketing and actually getting sales. This is another online business that you can start for $0. To get ideas, you can browse Etsy to get inspiration. A lot of those listings that you'll come across are doing exactly what I'm talking about here in terms of print on demand. They don't deal with any inventory. When someone makes a purchase of their product, the supplier creates the product and ships it directly to the buyer, and the store owner keeps the profit. If you're an artist, this is an awesome way to sell your work. You can sell digital files or print your designs on the products. I rate the difficulty of starting this side hustle as moderate. Okay, so let's move on to the seventh and final business model that I'm recommending for this year, and that is content creation. I know what you might be thinking when I say content creation. You might be thinking,
I don't want to be an influencer.
But trust me, you don't have to be an influencer to make money with content creation. There are so many content creators out there making money without even showing their faces, just creating content about something that they're passionate about. It's becoming more common, a little bit more approachable to get started, starting with short form videos. Just pick a niche that you're familiar with and start creating what you can with what you have. And then create a YouTube, a TikTok, and an Instagram all with the same handle and just start posting. The beauty of social media is that you can create one piece of short form content and post it across all those social media profiles. And the beauty of being a content creator is there's so many additional revenue streams that you can build. For example, you can create and promote digital products, you can offer consulting, and you can use affiliate marketing to generate income. But the real key is to niche down, especially at first. The number one piece of advice that I have for anyone starting content creation is to pick a specific niche. Whether you want to focus on tech, gardening, or even editing tutorials, stick to one topic and go all in. If you're posting about a bunch of different things like
Your time at the gym, what you ate for breakfast, or your favorite books,
it'll be harder to grow. You want to focus on building a solid audience around a specific topic. And as you grow, you'll be surprised about all the ways that you can monetize your content. But really, no matter what business model you decide to go with, you have to get started by believing in yourself. And don't count on seeing overnight success because everyone's journey is different. It's important to remember that even though these business ideas might be easy to start, none of them are actually easy. Like anything worth having in life, it takes work. One of the most important things is to gain the right knowledge and gain the right education, kind of like you're doing right now on my channel. You can implement any of these side hustles in your life right now, no matter how busy you are. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you learned a lot in today's video. As always, if you have any questions, please comment below. I'll do my best answering all of them. Hey, do me a favor and like this video. Go ahead and subscribe while you're at it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.